Hey subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So today is our day 3 of Vlogmas. Today is December 3, 2020, Tuesday, 10:31 a.m. Ayan, so tapos na po ako magligo and right now I'm putting this hydrogel eye patches. Kasi I've noticed na yung eye bags ko lumalaki na siya and nagda-darken. So I need to take care of it. So yeah, this is what I'm using. It's from Lanbana. It's a vitamin C hydrogel eye patches. So, ayan. Later po, meron po kaming reporting / oral defense sa social enterprise na subject namin. So, wish us luck. And later, meron po tayong gagawin. I will introduce you to something nice. So, yeah, I'll be back later for the update. Hi guys, so kami na po yung next for the oral defense and kami yung last group actually. So this is, you know, this is what I look like. Dapat formal daw.
20 milyones ng balot sa likuran ang nasakmit sa mga kapulisan at
Hey Skybers, I'm back. So tapos na po yung oral defense / report namin. So for today's continuation of our Vlogmas Day 3, December 3, 2020, I'm going to be trying this out. This is the newest SIM sa market. It's called GOMO Sim LTE 5G. Wait. Oo. GOMO 5G and LTE SIM. So, hindi ko sure if sinong may-ari talaga ng GOMO, if Globe ba or Smart, TM, Sun. Hindi ko talaga alam kasi hindi naman sponsored tong video na to. Before I proceed with this video is not sponsored by GOMO in any way, shape, or form. Gusto ko lang talaga siya matry kasi parati ko siya nakikita sa mga advertisements, sa mga ads na dumadaan sa newsfeed ko or mga influencers na gumagamit ng GOMO. And yung sabi nila, it's 25 gig with no expiry daw. So, of course, ako, na-curious ako. So, I got mine. I got this for 299 pesos with free shipping fee na. So, yun. Ito na yung pinaka-mismong SIM ng GOMO. It looks like this. Kinuha ko na po yung SIM, yung maliit na SIM dito. Kasi meron siyang 3 sizes. So, yung pinaka-small, tapos medium, and then large. Ito yung large. Ayan. Ito yung mga first generation pa na SIM. So, nilagay ko siya sa Android phone ko since dual SIM naman to. And hindi ko siya pwedeng ilagay sa iPhone since nandito yung pinaka-mismong main number ko. So, all you have to do is put it in your phone. Tapos, you have to install the GOMO app. Okay. Wait lang. And then, okay, so pupunta ako sa website ng GOMO kasi parang nandito yung mga frequently asked questions like, what is GOMO? So, ayan. What is GOMO ba? It's a game changer that lets you experience all the fun you want with large data allocations that never expire. So, how do I purchase a GOMO SIM or how do you purchase a GOMO SIM? Simply click on the Get SIM with 25 gig in the GOMO website or GOMO PH app and follow the steps to order your SIM. After completing your SIM order, the SIM card will be delivered right to your doorstep for free. So, nung pinadeliver ko to, it was cash on delivery but you can pay through debit or credit card. So, what are the requirements? You can also buy it pala sa official store in Lazada and Shopee. Yun lang, you can pay through MasterCard, Visa, credit card, ayan, paulit-ulit. GCash account if you have. So, yung original price nito guys is 299 pesos. Pero ngayon naka-sale siya for 199 pesos. Pero for a limited time offer only. So yun, kaya ako napabili because naka-discount siya. And I feel like it's worth it. Especially me na nasa province ko. Sometimes, walang signal dito or nagba-brown out. So, kailangan ko talaga ng alternative sa Wi-Fi which is a data SIM na hindi nag-e-expire. Kasi yung SIM ko na Globe, meron siyang data sometimes pero nag-e-expire kasi siya like for 3 days lang. Yung palagi kong niloload sa cell ko is Go 50 for 3 days. Tapos, minsan, hindi ko siya nagagamit. So, I think maganda talaga tong ino-offer ng GOMO kasi 25 gig with no expiry. Siya nag-e-expire. It's still there. Ayan. So, pumunta na po tayo sa GOMO app. Okay, so you have to activate your account by putting in your GOMO number. So, yung GOMO number is makikita siya sa pinaka-mismong SIM. Ayan. So, I will put it sa... Okay, then you have to insert GOMO SIM into your mobile device. Tapos, merong isa-send na verification code. I also enabled pala the face recognition. So, ayan. Successful account creation na tayo. It's GOMO time. So, I have 25 gig of local data. Manage your account and track your usage easily with the GOMO app. So, yung SIM na GOMO ko is nandito sa Android ko. Tapos yung GOMO na app nandito sa iPhone ko. And, okay. Let's leave view balance. Get more data. Okay. Okay. Get started with your okay. So, sabi dito, easily track your data, SMS, and calls, and manage your GOMO account all in the app. Plus, why settle for just regular data? Use Mocreds to maximize your data by converting it into a call or text offer for as low as 0.2 gig. What are you waiting for? Okay. Gets. I currently have 25 gig sa aking GOMO account. So, yung 25 gig na nasa GOMO SIM ko now, it's purely for data. So, hindi ako makaka-call, hindi ako makaka-text. Pero, you can convert it para maka-text ka to all networks. So, kung gusto mong maka-text or maka-call, you can convert your 25 gig. Like, for example, this one. Nandito ako sa Mocreds. So, you have 25 gig to convert. Like, for example, 0.2 gig to avail no expiry of 3 minutes calls to all networks. Tapos, meron din ditong no expiry 30 texts to all networks. And last but not the least is no expiry 50 texts and 5 minutes call to all networks. So for me naman, hindi ko kailangan ng calls or texts kasi meron pa naman akong Globe na SIM dito. Okay, so natatrack pala siya. Oh my god, ang ganda pala ng GOMO. Wait, itry ko nga. I'll try it to my phone, guys, if mabilis ba yung data niya. Ayan. Ang ganda ng SIM na to, in fairness. It's really convenient sa mga students. Plus, it's affordable. Oh, also, you can buy pala load. If ever naubos na yung 25 gig nyo, you can go to their shop. Tapos, pindutin nyo lang yung local promos. And then, just choose between the two. If gusto nyo ba ng no expiry 25 gig but data only, or yung no expiry 25 gig pero 500 texts and 100 minutes call with no expiry ba. Yung data only, it's for 299 pesos. Tapos yung text and call, 499 pesos. So you can pay through GCash, credit card, or debit card. Ayan. Ang ganda pala ng GOMO, guys. So, as of now, I have 3 SIMs. Smart, Globe, at saka itong GOMO. Uy, in fairness, mabilis siya. OMG. Nakaka-YouTube ako. Okay. Let's try if nakaka-call. Nakaka-call siya. Oh my god. Okay, so nagre-ring naman siya pero hindi sumasagot yung tinatawagan ko, no? And then, nakaka-Netflix ba to? Wait. Like, malakas ba yung data niya for Netflix? Let's try. Oh yeah, maliwanag na. Malakas yung data niya. Nakaka-Netflix ako. Oh my god, I'm super excited to use this na pag walang net. Sometimes kasi guys, walang net dito sa amin or palaging nagbe-brown out. It's already 5:25 PM kasi. So, ngayon lang na-on yung lights. Anyway, maganda siya. In fairness, it's user-friendly. Easy to use yung GOMO na SIM. So, imagine 25 gig with no expiry. So, it's really useful to students like me or yung mga taong malayo sa, what do you call that? Malayo sa store para makapag-load or something. Kasi, matagal siyang maubos yung 25 gig. That's nice. Tapos, you can keep track pa of your data usage with the app, with the GOMO app. So, yun, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And if you guys are interested on where to buy the GOMO SIM, I will leave the link down in the description box below para, makabili kayo. And, sharing is caring. Don't worry guys, hindi ako makakakuha ng mga commissions or something like that sa SIM na to. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang i-share kasi I believe in it and I feel like gagamitin ko talaga siya like for everyday basis. I mean, not everyday basis, pero in the future magagamit talaga siya in the future. So yun, if you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Skyezhia. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our Vlogmas Day 4, December 4, 2020. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky is the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you.